front lines. I invite you to the table, you can come and break bread with me. Pour you a glass of peace, yeah. Go and take a drink. I'm never on defense, man. I feel so secure.
Top of the morning, YouTube. Back at it. Big Kev, Turbo Cuts. Got Kev Jr. with us. Caleb in the back there. Today, man, we're going to have some fun. It's actually nice outside today. It's only about 76 right now, so it's feeling real good. So, man, we got a couple that we already recorded before, so we won't be recording those because those are every week. So we'll be doing those again today. We got a hedge job today. Yeah, so same routine. Myself, Caleb would be on the cutting edge and everything like that. Young Kev would be on the hedges, trying to make them look right. But we'll see you guys when we get to the yard, man. Peace.
All right, so here's these ones. As you can see, they're pretty much already, I mean, they look fine to me, but customer wants them done, so yeah. But there's more over here. This one's kind of nappy, so that one actually needs a trim. And then we got these little thingies all across. And then there's some in the back too. You want to show those in the back? I guess I'll do it. Fresh J's on deck, as you can see.
He needs some milk.
More right here. They're pretty much all shaped. We did them last time, so probably like 2 or 3 months ago. So yeah, fairly easy today on the hedge job. And you guys already seen this yard last week or a couple days ago. I don't know, whenever we upload this. But yeah. So let's get straight to it.
Taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time.
finished everything up. As you can see, this one kind of looks the same. Didn't really need much of a trim, but it's finished. This one over here, you've seen this one as well. Nice and square. And these little hedges right here. And this tree too. My dad pruned these trees. You might not have seen it in the first clip, but there it is. And here's the other tree he pruned. Well, he did both of those. He did all of them back here. And he did this hedge right here. I didn't show before this one. I didn't know we were doing it, honestly. But yeah, my dad did that one. And then here goes the finished product of these. Nice and bushy. And then, well, can't really see behind these, but all these back here. I finished these off. Those took the longest. My dad also did this one right here. It's kind of dead towards the back right here, but yep. So I guess now we'll just go to the next yard.
What up, YouTube? We are back real quick. As you see, my son just gave you a walkthrough of the finished product of those hedges, man. Killed it like he normally does. Caleb killed it on the yards. I mean, really, I'm just a driver. Keep it real, man. These guys, they pretty much, they hustle, they grind, they do whatever they need to do to make it happen. But, you know, we'll see you guys at the next yard.
All right, guys, update on this. You guys probably remember from the last video, or like 2 videos ago, I don't know, when the sprinkler was broken. You can still kind of see this gap right here where it was. Brand new joint. It's actually greener right there, as you can see in that region. So looks to be working good. And yeah. All right, guys, here's the last house that we're doing today. Small front yard, as you can see. Small front yard. The backyard is huge, as you'll see in a second. This is yeah, the biggest yard that we had. So this is what we're gonna be recording today, the backyard. Yeah, has a little bottom piece over here. Huge German Shepherd over there. So yeah, we just start back here because it's huge. So let's do it.
Taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time. Taking my time, yeah.
son just came up front and told me the wheel broke on that snapper lawnmower. I don't know if you guys recall in the first video I told you guys we got that free. What happened, man?
I was turning it around and it just snapped off.
It just snapped off? All right, let's go take a look at it, see what happened. All right, so here we are, checking this thing out. It's that snapper, let's see. Oh, man. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. That whole wheel, let me turn it around. Whole wheel came off. That's crazy. Get a shot of that, let me turn it around. The whole wheel popped off. That's awesome. Look at that, man. Boom, that goes right there. Whole thing snapped off. Well, it's one of those things. It was free. It was actually in somebody's trash can. I mean, what do you expect? So we'll take that, get it fixed, and be back on it, man. Peace.
Taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time, taking my time, yeah. Taking my time, taking my time.
All right, folks, as you can see, we just finished up that last yard. You saw that busted tire on the self-propel. It was free though, so that'll actually be the first, having to get that tire, and I'll probably end up getting two, will be the first bit of money we had to spend on that lawnmower. So hey, you can't complain. It comes with the territory. Once again, that was sitting on somebody's curb, man, so we still winning. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for tuning in. And oh yeah, before I forget, that last video we posted, it just abruptly ended. And I ain't gonna say any names, but you know, the guy that does our editing work, I ain't gonna say no names, but the guy that does our editing work, for whatever reason, I don't know what happened. Maybe he heard his mom calling him down for dinner or something.
No, we didn't have any more footage.
Oh, okay, so we didn't have any more footage. That's what he telling me. But it's all good. So
actually, that was 2 videos ago.
2 videos ago. All right. Well, like I said, he's the
busted sprinkler.
He's the camera guy, so he's the one who takes care of all of that. So yeah, head's job, busted tire. Hey, but we still got to get it, man. It was a good day. It was fun. It wasn't too hot. It didn't even reach triple digits today, so that was a beautiful thing. And by the way, quick question for you. We the other day we went to a yard and it was just trash all over the place, and it wasn't just trash, it was like bologna and mayonnaise packages and just all kind of different stuff in the yard, man. And I went around it. I ain't gonna lie, I went around it. Do you guys pick that kind of stuff up? Do you guys pick it up? What do you do in that particular situation? Throw that in the comments, what you do in a situation like that. Because like I said, I went around it. It looked like maybe a raccoon or something got into that person's trash can and was hunting around and just left all the trash, and it was trash and food. It was a mixture of both all over the yard. So do you guys pick that stuff up, or you know, or do you leave it, or do you go around it like I did? You know, like I said, throw it in the comments for us, please. Let us know, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. We appreciate you. 2 days in, we actually got to 10 subscribers, so I was stoked about that, man. So that was pretty cool, man. So keep watching. Hope you like the videos, and we'll see you next time. Caleb, you got anything to say? Kev Jr.?
No.
Oh, we out of here, man. We see you next time. Peace.